Hey tube, I'm gonna give a real quick tutorial on how I fix the headphones. These are them newfangled kind with the newfangled kind. Listen to me. With the all those real thin ass wires, you can't tape them. You can't do shit with them. All right, well check it out. Let me get the camera down here. All right, well let me get you where you can see. Uh, all right. It's pretty self-explanatory. I mean, you get 6 wires inside it. You get your headphones. You get your headphones and your plug. Okay, well, what I did, I got a little board out of it. I don't even know where I got it out of. I've had it for a while. A little board out of some junk electronics, and just modified it a little bit. And well, you see what I did, pretty much. I also took a popsicle stick. Shit. Took a popsicle stick. Hang on, hold on. Took a popsicle stick. Put some holes in it. Ran the wire through the holes and hot glued it in place, and then hot glued the board down. You know, but what you got to do is you got to take fire to those little bitty wires, the little red ones, little red. Hang on. All right. Hang on. Let's see if I can get it here. Where it'll film. All right. Well, maybe not. No shit. Take fire to those little bitty wires and melt them. Let me see if I got another one here somewhere handy. Yeah. No, those are. Yeah, those are. All right, hang on. Jeez. You gotta melt them, but you can't melt them much. You gotta be real careful with it. Hold on. Oh, wait a minute. You can see it. All right. You gotta be real careful when you do it, because it'll go real fast. Blow it out. Do it again. All right. Do that a couple times on each one. All right. Because if you let it go, see, it'll go all the way down. Shit, you didn't see that, did you? Damn it. All right, well, look. This is frustrating as hell. If you don't be real careful when you melt it, it'll burn all the way down to. Shit, I'll let it do it. This is just junk wires. It don't matter. See it go? It went all the way down into the, and then you can't. You gotta start over again after that. Hang on a second. Let me pull it out. Okay. Hang on. Try holding the camera and do this. Shit. What the hell? fast. See, you gotta be real careful. Well, this actually works. You make a liar out of me. Whatever. Well, it's like a fuse. It goes, shit. It goes. You get the idea. Look, just practice with the shit and figure it out. But the main thing I want to show you is what I did. This is what I did to just connect them back together. Anyway, all right, tube. Sorry for the second video. Peace.